Hello, my dear friends. I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. Today, once again, I have made this two beautiful necklace sets, and the common factor in this is this ghungroos, this cute ghungroos for you all. After watching this tutorial, you will definitely love to make this beautiful necklace sets and also will love to wear them. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. See, it costs you nothing but means a lot to me as it is helping me in growing out my channel. So do hit the subscribe button. So to make this necklace, we will wrap a square like this in a fabric, and I have taken this fabric with asymmetrical designs. You can choose anything, and we will stick them like this on the edges of the angles with the help of glue. So I have attached, and once this get dried, I'll also add the back finishing fabric, and then now we will add the holes over here to the angles. So I have a hole maker. If you don't have this hole maker, you can take the safety pin or needle also, but this is also very effective and this is not costly. I have just got it for around 150-160 rupees only, and it's very useful in making the holes. So if you want, you can consider taking this for the long term. So we will add the 5 holes, one to two to the angles and one in the middle to add the ghungru. Now I'll take the jump ring and over here I'll add 2-3 ghungrus, and this jump ring will add in the middle section over here. This is just to enhance the look. It's up to you that if you want to add the ghungrus or no. Now to the other two ends we will add this jhumkas. So I'll first add the jump ring and then we'll add the jhumka in that. This is my trick to add the jump ring shell faster. Now we'll add the chain. So I have made one chain like this, and now we will make this other second chain. So we'll take the jhumka shell, and we'll add the jump ring in this, and this jump ring we will add in the loop. So I have taken like the space of 50 loops. So you count them properly, and then after 20 loops, after 20 loops in the 21st you add this shell, and just above that, the one loop above this, add this ghungru. So again I'll add 2 ghungrus in this with the help of jump ring, and these ghungrus I will add in the one loop above, and also tie it very properly with the help of plier. If you're So in the same way I will do for this also. I'll quickly do that. So I have done this, and now we'll just attach them with the help of jump ring. So just add the jump ring and close the loop. If you are enjoying this video, do give the like button. It really motivates me a lot to make the amazing videos like this and to make the designs. So make sure to close the loop very tightly, and to the other end we will add this lobster hook, and also make sure to close this loop very properly. And I hope that you'll share this video with your friends and family who are interested in jewelry making. So like this you have to close the loop, and in the same way guys I'll quickly do for the other one, and also I have added the bunch of jump rings over here so that it's easy to connect that. Now we'll make the earrings. For that we'll add these 3 oxidized chains in 3 different sizes, and we'll add the jhumka with the help of jump ring again. So it's just a game of attachment that you have to do. So we'll add these 3 jhumkas quickly, and will you please do me a favor that please follow me on Instagram. I'll give the link in the description below down. And then we'll add these 3 chains in another jump ring. So I'll add the shorter one first, then the longer, and the longest one last, and at the end we will add this earring hook, and again make sure to close the loop very tightly with, and always use the help take the help of plier. And with this, these earrings are also ready, and this is our cute necklace set. This is very perfect to wear with the jeans or the modern outfit. For the next one we will take 2 circles. So I have taken one in a plain cotton fabric and one in a designer fabric. So here we will take the plain cotton fabric down and we'll stick this designer one above that like this, and then over here to the edges we will add the kundans. So I'm taking this cute small tiny kundans. If you want to take any other style or size of kundan, you can take that also. There are different varieties of kundans available, and with the help of glue we will add to the half circle. If you want to add to the full, you can also do that. And once this get dried, I'll also add the back finishing fabric, and then now we will add we will make the holes over here with the help of hole maker. So the hole maker really helps a lot in making the holes, how much ever tough fabric base is that. So I have made the holes. Now I'll add this 30 gauge wire in one hole and I'll wrap it. Then we'll add a bunch of ghungroos. These ghungroos are so cute and gorgeous and it enhances the look. So I'll add the 30 ghungroos over here. If you have liked this jewelry pattern, do like to the video. And I have added 30 ghungroos here, and then we'll add this in the last loop of the chain. So I have added the chain, and then we will wrap this 30 gauge wire. And if you have extra wire, don't cut it off, just attach to the ghungroos so that it will fit perfectly. So I have added this and this is how it looks. And then in the end I'll add this S-shape hook now. So there are different design types of hooks available, you can take any. So I'll quickly add this, and so in the same way we'll do for the other one. I'll add a bunch of jump rings over here. Now we'll make the earrings. So for that I have reversed the process, like the designer fabric will keep down and the smaller one, the plain one, I will keep upstairs. So with the help of glue again we'll quickly add the fabric and attach this. And now in the middle of this small pink one we will add one cute tiny kundan. I just really like these kundans a lot. And over here at the bottom I'll add the ghungroos now rather than adding the kundans. So it's up to you that what you have to do. And after this get dried, I'll add the earring stud to the back side, and then back finishing fabric in the pink color. So yeah, with this these earrings will also be ready. That's it. Ta-da! So our necklace set is ready. Ta-da! So do make this necklace sets for upcoming Navratri, and let me know in the comments below, did you like my tutorial? If you liked it, do give the thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and